Good morning to our lecturers, Ms. Ida and Ms. Nama, and my fellow colleagues. Our chosen area is the World of Parrots, which is an area in Zone 4 in the bird park. And this is our flight plan. And you can see that there is working area in the middle and cage on the left-hand side, and small aviary in right-hand side. Parrots are in the cage to prevent them from eaten by the larger birds. This is our 5 sense. We saw many types of parrots, and there are small cage in the small aviaries. And we actually touch the birds. They have soft and smooth feathers, and they are very light. And we also had a small sip on the feeding milk for the birds. Kelvin actually tasted it. It had a very light milk taste. And we can smell bird drop. And we also hear birds chirping and singing. We have 6 parrots here. And the first one is Amazon parrot. It is very playful. This is the Amazon parrot. It is found throughout the South America to Mexico and the Caribbean. And this is the sound of the Amazon parrot. And the parrots eat seeds, nuts, and fruits. It is green in color, and the top of the birds have slightly yellow and blue. I will pass the mic to Hong to present the next parrot.
Next, we have umbrella cockatoo, also known as the cockatoo alba. It is found in islands of Australia. The plumage can be various colors of white. Plumage is the feathers of the bird. This is the sound produced by the bird. They have an average number of eggs laid in a nest, around 2 to 4 eggs. They prefer inhabit in lowland forests. Umbrella cockatoo eat seeds, nuts, young coconuts, and they develop a taste of lots of fresh vegetables, fruits, and branches for chewing and entertainment. And then we have African grey parrot. It is found throughout the lowland rainforest in western and central Africa. The plumage can be various color of grey, usually slightly darker on the wings and back, crimson tail with the red tail, and the sound produced by the grey parrot. The average number of eggs laid in one nest is 2 to 4 eggs. They prefer to inhabit in the rainforest. Next, we have red lorry. It is found particular in endemic in the islands in Indonesia. Plumage color is red, slightly red and green, black markings on the back and wings. Tail is red-brown with green undertail coverts. Sound produced by red lorry. The average number of eggs laid in one nest is 2 to 3 eggs. They may be kept along or with others as long as they are closely monitored for signs of aggression. Mated pairs defend their territories forcefully.
For the rose-breasted cockatoo, is found in Australia. Yeah. And the sound. This is the sound of the cockatoo. For every cockatoo, there is this crest on the head. So, when the crest is raised, it means that the cockatoo is defending its territory or its flock. When it is lowered, it indicates that its calmness, friendliness, and general approachability. The average weight for the rose-breasted cockatoo is around 270 to 350 grams, and it is about 35 cm long. The rose-breasted cockatoo can live up to 20 to 40 years. They can lay 2 to 4 eggs each time. Yeah. For the rainbow lorikeet, they are usually found along the eastern seaboard from northern Queensland to South Australia and Tasmania. And this is the sound of the rainbow lorikeet. The rainbow lorikeet has a bright red beak and it has blue head, green belly, green wings, tail and back, orange or yellow breast. This is the video of the rainbow lorikeet.
Here's the plants in that site we found. It's a eucalyptus, 30 to 180 feet tall, and two examples for the eucalyptus tree is gum trees and silver dollar tree. It can make an attractive addition with interesting bark and foliage, beautiful flowers, and have a nice fragrance. And here's a map for the eucalyptus. The red one is like don't have any eucalyptus, and the green one is the place we can find the eucalyptus. Lifespan over 250 years in the wild. The next plant is sedulous tree fern, and here's the scientific classification, the range map of it. Then a group of relative primitive ferns in the order Sedulous. Most of them categorized by ascending trunk like stem and an arborescent tree-like habit. Conspicuous plants of humid tropical forests around the world form new woody tissue in their trunk as they grow. And new species are discovered in the new Virginia with each botanical survey. And the length is like 20 meters. Yeah, I'll pass the picture. Good morning, and I'd like to talk about king fern, also known as Angioteris tecta. It can grow up to 7 meters in length, and this one is the scientific classification of it. And it does not have a well-developed trunk, and it also called the giant fern. And its rhizome is a massive trunk up to 1.5 meter tall. The stripes are fleshy, green, smooth, and swollen at the base. And the fronds of the king fern are the largest in the world. And it also can be found in Queensland from sea level about 600 meters, New South Wales, Polynesia, and Malaysia. And basket ferns, also known as Drinaria regardula. And the green area is where the basket fern grows, and the grey area is the place that don't have basket ferns. And this one is the scientific classification. Basket fern is very common fern throughout the range that can grow and as an epiphyte or lithophytes. This one can grow from large clumps with fronds of two types of growth. The leaf fern can grow up to 36 cm long and 8 cm wide. The conclusion is we learn about many types of parrot and the 5 cents and some of the plants in the rainforest. That's all. Thank you.